Hello again, everyone. This is the continuation of the last video. In the last video, I just realized that 10 of the 15 sentences were recorded. So in this video, I'm gonna read the last 5 sentences that I missed in the last video. So this is the number 11. Once a year, go somewhere you've never been before. Number 12, no place is ever as bad as they tell you it's going to be. Number 13, fear is only temporary, regrets last forever. Number 14, this heart of mine was made to travel this world. And the last one, let's find some beautiful place to get lost. Thank you, and I hope you're having a nice weekend. See you then. Bye.